Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare basic 3D model in SolidWorks software. You can see I choose this drawing. All the dimensions are mentioned in mm. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and support me friends. I need to reach 1k subscriber in this month. The base dimensions are 125, 200 and 50 mm. Select extruded, normal, select center rectangle, give the dimension 200, this is 125. Finish sketch, reverse direction 50 mm, extrude up to 50 mm. You can see there is a one extrude back side, that is dimension is 35 and bottom to top also 35 mm. 35 or it is equal to 70 dia. For that select this surface, sketch, normal, create on 75 mm diameter circle, it's 35 into 270, give the dimension here to 35, same here to here also 35. Select line, select this line and circle, give the tangent, trim entities, so sketch is fully defined. One more circle is there in that diameter is 40 mm. Select circle, give 40 mm diameter. Now select extruded boss, change the direction, extrude up to 50 mm. Okay. In this you can see there is a one rib is there, that is 30 mm and 70 mm dimensions. For that select this surface, sketch, normal, select line, give the dimension 70, then select this line and this line, give the tangent, select convert entities, select this and this and this. Okay. Finish sketch, extrude, something happened. Edit sketch, remove unwanted lines, extrude, reverse the direction 30 mm, click OK. You can see there is one cutout 75 and 25 mm depth. Select this surface, sketch, select corner rectangle, give the dimension 25, this is 75, height is 25. Finish sketch, select extruded cut, here select through all, OK. So now we can see there is a one cutout here, that is dimension center actually 40 mm cutout and 20 mm depth. For that, select right plane, sketch, normal, select line, give the dimension, this is 20. Select extruded cut, here select mid plane, give the dimension 40 mm, OK. So that's it friends. I hope all the features are added. If anything is missing, let me know in the comment box. Now I will assign the material, select appearances, so just I will give a coloring, select solid, I will go through green. So that's it from today's session. If you like this session, please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this video.